Life is eternal, and love is immortal, and death is only a horizon, and a horizon is nothing save the limit of our sight.
I am is the shortest sentence, and there is the answer to all our problem of sustainable development. If I know who I am, that is the starting point. And if I am not different from this nature, I am one with nature, I am part of the nature, then again no one can resist the sustainable development. The day when I am separated from the nature, the problem starts. Let us be one with the nature and let us know ourselves.
A life that demands notice, a life that exemplified brilliance, a life that inspired, a life that motivated, a life that burned so that others' paths were lit.
Losing Pramod to the COVID pandemic is a heartbreaking loss for the organization. We've lost a great human being and a great professional. I had interacted with him a number of times, and he came across as very professional, down to earth in his work, always willing to take up new tasks, engaging with them. In fact, some of the major new projects which CBSE had taken up relating to competency-based assessment, bringing in reforms in the examinations, and also assessment for standard 3, 5 and 8 were spearheaded by Pramod. He was a very humble person, an epitome of humility, very gracious, and a number of small incidents were related where he would go out of the way, which showed that for him caring and humanity played a very important role. He was a man of very few needs, and there are so many stories about his abilities in terms of reciting poems, reciting Sanskrit verses, and his ability as a teacher. And I think it's a great loss to the organization and to his family. And on behalf of CBSE, we would be there with his family to help them in whatsoever manner we can. And we all pray to God that his soul may rest in peace.
नदी सा मानंद बहता तुम्हारा जीवन मंद मंद मुस्कुरा रहा है, मौन की मुद्रा में सधे तुम्हारे होंठ बरबस ही कुछ बुदबुदा रहे हैं. How can one express the amazing essence and spirit of Pramod Kumar ji? Even the very best of words cannot pay tribute or truly capture the sense of loss that we are all feeling today. We can honor him by profoundly feeling and expressing our loss. An amazing person who has played a unique and special role in all of our lives. Our lives will be empty in the areas that Pramod Kumar ji had brightened for us. पलकों की चादर ओढ़े तुम्हारे दो कमल नयन, अलौकिक दुनिया के निशब्द सपने बुन रहे हैं. साधना में रत तुम्हारी उंगलियां अधूरी किताब के पन्ने पलट रही हैं. Pramod Kumar ji was a strategic thinker, a visionary who was brilliant, innovative and creative. He joined us in the year 2006, and since then he contributed much to the development of the organization. He generously gave us his knowledge, his expertise, his skills. Leading his staff with exemplified leadership, he gave energy, commitment and inspiration to his staff and to others with whom he worked. He worked with passion, integrity and energy. We will miss a highly intelligent, vibrant individual with a rare friendliness and charm of personality. अलौकिक शरीर के बंधनों से मुक्त होती तुम्हारी सांसें पंच आकाश में विलीन हो रही हैं. अखंड दीपक सा जलता हुआ तुम्हारा प्राण अनंत प्राण के आगोश में समा रहा है। चतुर्दिक फैला तुम्हारा अनंत प्रकाश सदा सर्वदा तुम्हारे होने का एहसास करा रहा है। Pramod Kumar ji is a proof of how fine a person can be. He was a good boss to the people in his charge, a loving husband to his wife, and a devoted father to his children. A good friend to many of us and a great colleague.
श्री प्रमोद कुमार जी सीबीएसई की एकेडमिक यूनिट में ज्वाइंट सेक्रेटरी के पद पर कार्यरत थे। मेरा और उनका लगभग 4 वर्षों का सफर बेहद खूबसूरत और अच्छा रहा है। जब मैंने केंद्रीय माध्यमिक शिक्षा बोर्ड ज्वाइन किया था, उस समय प्रमोद जी सीओई त्रिवेंद्रम के पद पर कार्यरत थे। वो बहुत ही कुशल प्रशासक होने के साथ साथ बहुत अच्छे ट्रेनर और अध्यापक भी थे। अपने अधिकारियों के साथ, साथियों के साथ, कर्मचारियों के साथ उनका व्यवहार बहुत ही विनम्र एवं सहयोगात्मक रहा है। उनकी कोऑर्डिनेशन की क्षमता, उनकी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव कैपेबिलिटी बहुत शानदार थी। मंच पर मैंने प्रमोद जी को जब भी सुना, ऐसा लगता था जैसे कोई बहुत सीनियर प्रोफेसर बहुत लगन के साथ अपने विद्यार्थियों को पढ़ा रहा। यहाँ कार्य करते हुए करिकुलम को लेकर के, सिलेबस को लेकर के, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वर्क को लेकर के, पार्लियामेंट कमेटीज की रिपोर्ट्स को लेकर के उन्होंने बहुत शानदार कार्य किए। उन्होंने बहुत सारे जर्नल्स में अपने लेख प्रकाशित किए हैं। उन्होंने बहुत सारे एकेडमिक यूनिट के कार्य कोऑर्डिनेट किए हैं और उनको अंजाम तक पहुंचाया। उनका जाना बेहद दुखद रहा है, बेहद घातक रहा है, हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए भी और उनके परिवार के लिए भी। हम ईश्वर से यही प्रार्थना करते हैं कि प्रमोद जी जहां भी रहें वो प्रसन्न रहें, खुश रहें, उनकी आत्मा तृप्त रहे और हमारा पूरा सीबीएसई परिवार मिल करके उनके परिवार को पूरी तरह से आगे बढ़ाने का प्रयास करेगा। विनम्र श्रद्धांजलि।
It's very difficult to believe that Sri Pramod Kumar DK is not with us today. I have more than 15 years association with Sri Pramod, and almost 5 years we worked as a team. Initially for the 2 years we have worked together in the UGC National Eligibility Test, and in the last 3 years we have been working together in the academic unit of CBSE. Sri Pramod Kumar was very actively involved in the implementation of new national education policy in the CBSE system. He was also a very active part in the Program for International Students Assessment (PISA) program of the Government of India. Pramod was very active in setting up of Center for Excellence in Assessment, Key Stage Assessment, as well as the comprehensive digital assessment platform in the CBSE system. At the core of his heart, Pramod was a teacher and he loved teaching, and his deep understanding in the subject as well as his teaching acumen made him very popular among the teachers. In the personal front, Pramod was a complete family man. He was a gentle friend to everyone. Was always there to support his colleagues and his friends. We are extremely fortunate to have Pramod in our life, and his fond memories will remain in our heart forever.
जीवन एक मोह है और मृत्यु उस मोह से मुक्त होने का माध्यम। जीवन और मृत्यु के बीच किए गए तुम्हारे सचित कर्म सदा सर्वदा तुम्हारे आसपास होने का एहसास करा रहे हैं।
मनोबुद्ध्यहंकार चित्तानि नाहं न च श्रोत्र जिह्वे न च घ्राण नेत्रो न च व्योम भूमिर्न तेजो न वायु चिदानंद रूप शिवोहम शिवोहम न च प्राण संयो न वा पंचवायु न वै सप्तधातुर्न वा पंचकोश न वाक्पाणिपादं न चोपस्थि मुक्तपायु चिदानन्दरूपः शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्